In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a slider in WordPress. Easy. We'll build a simple image slider right inside the WordPress site editor. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and launching the editor. From there, open the page or template where you want the slider to appear. If you're following along with a sample page, that works perfectly. Click into the spot on the page where you want the slider. This tells WordPress where to insert the block. Open the block inserter, then use the search field to find the slider option. Type slider in the search, and when you see the slider block appear, click it to add it to the page. If WordPress inserts a different block by default, no worries. With the block selected, open the Transform To menu and switch it to the slider block. That ensures you're working with the correct block type before adding your content. Now, let's fill in the slides. Click on the first highlighted placeholder inside the slider. Replace it with your image or media of choice. Either upload a new file or pick one from your library. If the slide includes text areas, click into those and type in your headline or short description. Keep it concise so it looks good across devices. Move to the next highlighted placeholder and repeat the process. Click, replace the content, and type in any text you want displayed. Continue clicking each highlighted slide area until all placeholders are updated with your images and copy. If you see prompts to transform inner elements, like switching a placeholder to an image or cover, use Transform To for a cleaner layout that matches your design. As you work, pause occasionally to check alignment. Clicking a highlighted area will bring up its toolbar so you can fine-tune basics like positioning or swap media quickly. If your slider provides a plus button to add more slides, you can use that. Otherwise, focus on replacing the existing placeholders one by one. Remember to keep image sizes consistent for smooth transitions. When you're happy with the content, click Save in the top right corner. After saving, choose Preview in a new tab to see the slider live on the page. Open the preview and navigate to the page you edited. Click through the slides to confirm everything looks right and that the text is readable over your images. If something seems off, go back to the editor, click the specific highlighted slide to adjust it, then save and preview again.